Adding a horizontal line into your Squarespace website is so easy to do, but a lot of people make the mistake of thinking that you need to code one in with CSS. I'm going to show you how to do it without. So we're on the site here, and if we scroll down, let's say I want to put a line in here. So a nice horizontal line to split this text and this text. So I'll click Edit, and all I need to do is add a block. And if we look down here, you'll see line block. So if I click on this, it's going to bring the horizontal line here. Now what we can do with this is we can then stretch it out. Now, if you want to go the full width of the page, we can drag it out here and we can drag it out here. And if you want to extend it, you can do so like this. So you can get the spacing just right. Now, if I hit save and exit, we can go into site styles. And in site styles, we'll be able to change the color and the opacity of the line. So if I click on colors and then I click light one, we'll see here we've got line block. So click on the line color and we can change this to whatever we wish. Let's just keep it black for now, and then we can dim the opacity and make it look really nice. So we hit save, exit, and if we look here, we've got a lovely line. Now, one thing you'll probably want to do is just check it on mobile as well. So click on mobile view, and we're going to look here and go, okay, well, this isn't stretching the whole way. So click edit. We'll move this down a little bit, drag this out, and we want the spacing to be nice and consistent. So save, exit, just double check that, and there we go. So really, really easy if you want to add a line into your Squarespace website. If you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.